po si Felix Marauda, DTF operator ng Honda 30cm dito sa Robinsons Novaliches. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit. May 65 meters kami na iran dito this week. Ito po ang heads, capping, head clean. Punasan ng wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang ink system ay tama lang. Humidity temperature, okay lang. Facing tank na linis every Friday. Ground wire, ABR. Ito naman po ang used ink film, unused ink powder. Ito po ang daily workload. Updated naman po ang consumables withdrawal. Weekly physical inventory updated. Ito naman po ang SRR this week. Di maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.